Plant FAQs. Asarum europaeum. What is Asarum europaeum? Asarum europaeum is a herbaceous perennial belonging to the birthwort family, Aristolochiaceae. It features creeping rhizomes and kidney-shaped to heart-shaped leaves that are evergreen in mild climates. The tiny, urn-shaped flowers of Asarum europaeum emerge in early spring, nestled close to the ground beneath the foliage. They come in shades of maroon, brown, or purple and possess a rather unpleasant odor that attracts flies for pollination. How to care for Asarum europaeum. Asarum europaeum is a relatively low-maintenance plant that thrives in shady locations with moist, well-drained soil. Here are some key pointers for growing this attractive perennial. Light. Asarum europaeum prefers partial shade to full shade. Avoid planting it in areas with direct afternoon sun, especially in hot climates. Soil. The ideal soil for Asarum europaeum is moist, well-drained, and rich in organic matter. Amending your planting bed with compost or aged manure can help improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. Watering. Water your Asarum europaeum regularly during the growing season, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Fertilizing. Asarum europaeum is not a heavy feeder and generally doesn't require regular fertilization. However, you can apply a light top dressing of compost or aged manure in early spring to provide a slow release of nutrients. Mulching. Applying a layer of mulch around your Asarum europaeum plants helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Use organic mulch such as shredded bark, leaves, or compost. How to propagate Asarum europaeum. Asarum europaeum can be propagated through division or by seed. Here's a brief overview of both methods. Division. The best time to divide Asarum europaeum is in early spring or fall. Carefully dig up a mature clump and use a sharp knife to divide it into sections, each with several healthy shoots and roots. Replant the divisions immediately in their new locations. Seed. Asarum europaeum seeds can be sown in containers indoors in late winter or early spring. Sow the seeds on the surface of a moist, well-draining seed starting mix and press them gently into the soil. Keep the container in a cool, shaded location and mist the soil regularly to maintain moisture. Germination can be slow, taking several weeks or even months. Once the seedlings emerge and establish a few sets of true leaves, they can be transplanted into their permanent positions in the garden. What to plant with Asarum europaeum. Asarum europaeum is an excellent choice as a ground cover plant in shady areas. It pairs well with other shade-loving plants such as hostas, ferns, hellebores, epimediums, Brunnera macrophylla, Siberian bugloss. Asarum europaeum can also be used to create a natural carpet beneath deciduous trees. Where to buy Asarum europaeum? Here are some options to consider. Local nurseries and garden centers. Check with nurseries and garden centers in your area. They often carry native and ornamental plants and may have Asarum europaeum in stock or be able to order it for you. Online plant retailers. There are several reputable online retailers that specialize in plants and can ship Asarum europaeum directly to you. Some options include Bluestone Perennials. They offer a variety of perennials, including Asarum europaeum. Plant Delights Nursery, known for a wide selection of unique and rare plants, including Asarum species. Forest Farm offers a diverse range of plants and trees, including ground covers like Asarum europaeum. Etsy. Many individual sellers offer plants, including Asarum europaeum, on this platform. Specialty plant stores. Some stores specialize in native and rare plants. Look for stores that focus on woodland plants or shade-loving plants, as they are more likely to carry Asarum europaeum. Plant fairs and garden shows. These events often have vendors that sell a wide variety of plants, including rare and hard-to-find species like Asarum europaeum. With its attractive foliage and interesting flowers, Asarum europaeum is a versatile plant that can add a touch of elegance and charm to your shady garden.